Hi everyone, my name is Chuck Watry and I'm a field product expert for Broan, NuTone, and Best. And today we're going to be taking a look at a Broan 355 attic fan, and I'm going to show you how to change the thermostat if the thermostat ever goes bad on your Broan 355BK or BR attic fan. First, what we're going to do this is where the thermostat's located. Always make sure the power is disconnected to this attic fan. Go to that breaker box, disconnect that power just by flipping that breaker. Next, what you would do, there's one screw. This is a thermostat, and you'd be actually inside the attic looking up at this unit. And what you would do is you would take this screw off this electrical box cover, like so. You would have wiring coming into one of the knockouts, and you'd have a black and white, and what you would do is you would just disconnect the wire nuts and separate the wires. This is the thermostat right here. What you would do is you would disconnect this black wire right here. Just pull on it. There's two screws going through the bracket into the electric box. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to loosen these screws here. A short, stubby screwdriver would work well. Or a short, stubby nut driver. It's a 1/4 inch. There's one screw. And there's screw number 2. This electrical box cover will lift off and you'll have the thermostat right here. I get a lot of questions and technical support. How does this thermostat come up? If you take a look, there's some fingers and they're kind of spread out and they're against this electrical box, preventing it to fall. You would just take a screwdriver and just push on these, and that would disconnect it, like so. Do the same to the opposite side, just push on them. It works better if you have it on a table. Just like so. So there you would have it. You would throw this one in the garbage and you would just replace it, and it just pushes in and snaps back into place. The new one would, like so. That's all there is to it. Another question we get a lot here in technical support, what do you set that thermostat at? In technical support, we recommend setting that thermostat at 110, 115 degrees. It's not common for your attic to get 110, 115 degrees. You want to set it up a little bit higher. That will make this motor stop periodically. If the temperature is 110 degrees, you're bringing in whatever the temperature is outside, and eventually it'll cool that attic up. So I hope these tips help. If you have any questions, please contact our Broan technical support. Thanks.